Step-by-step guide to switching 401k to Gold IRA safely. Transferring your 401k to a Gold IRA can be a strategic move to safeguard your retirement against market volatility. With economic uncertainty on the rise, gold offers a stable alternative to traditional investments. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's a simplified step-by-step guide to ensure a smooth and secure rollover process. 1. Understand the benefits of a Gold IRA. A Gold IRA allows you to invest in physical gold, which can serve as a hedge against economic instability. Gold has a long-standing reputation as a stable asset, especially in times of market downturns. 2. Evaluate your 401k eligibility. Before starting the transfer process, check if your 401k plan allows for a rollover. If you're retired or over the age of 59.5, you are generally eligible. If you're still employed, some plans may allow in-service rollovers. 3. Research reputable Gold IRA custodians. Select a custodian who specializes in gold IRAs. Ensure they are IRS approved and offer secure, insured storage options for your precious metals. Check their fees, reputation, and customer support. 4. Open a Gold IRA account. Opening a Gold IRA involves submitting personal and financial information to your chosen custodian. This account will be used to hold your gold investments, ensuring it meets IRS standards. 5. Request the 401k rollover. Initiate the rollover process by contacting your 401k plan administrator. A direct rollover is the safest option, as the funds move directly from your 401k to your new Gold IRA without touching your hands. This helps avoid tax penalties. 6. Choose the right type of gold investment. Once the rollover is complete, choose the gold or precious metals to invest in. The IRS only permits gold, silver, platinum, and palladium with a minimum fineness of 99.5%. Common options include gold coins and bars. 7. Ensure IRS compliance. It's vital that your Gold IRA complies with IRS regulations. The gold must be stored in an approved depository, and the IRA must own the gold. It's not for personal possession. Your custodian will help facilitate this. 8. Monitor your Gold IRA. After your Gold IRA is set up, monitor its performance periodically. While gold is generally a stable asset, its value can fluctuate. Regular assessments will ensure your investment aligns with your long-term retirement goals. 9. Understand tax implications. Be aware of the tax treatment of your Gold IRA. Traditional Gold IRAs may allow for tax-deferred contributions, while Roth Gold IRAs offer tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Consult with a tax professional to understand how the rollover impacts you. 10. Consult a financial advisor. While the process is straightforward, seeking advice from a financial expert is crucial. They can guide you on how best to integrate the Gold IRA into your overall retirement strategy and help you assess risks and opportunities. Transferring your 401k to a Gold IRA is a practical move to protect your retirement savings. By following these 10 steps, you ensure a smooth, compliant transition that positions your portfolio for stability and growth in uncertain times. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.